kuBatshazwa inkanuko entombazaneni yexhosa sawubona kuphi nakuphi la kufinye khona lo mbukiso njengamanje ukubingelalane-ke mathenda waceusa intombi zimqomela amehla kabanye zibaqomela umali thubazi ngana wethu ngabe usuku lakho lokuqala la cotha upressana-ke usubscribe button ushare phinde ucomment okhulu nakho konke uma usubscribe kumele kuhamba kodwa wese usenze izibuko wena uqala uthola notification uma-ke sefaka la ividiyo ehamba phambili liyatrenda-ke usisi ozikhulumela ngo-Ben 10 wakhe enkundleni yokuxhumana-ke ebizwa ngo-Facebook njengoba-ke abantu bebe nembono ehlukahlukene bathi mthathe umshade njengoba-ke umuzwa ngaphakathi kodwa-ke abanye bababaze nje inkanuko. Ngenzeka mlaleli wami bungazi uyibone le video ngicela ukuthi ubambe lesi siqeshana esilandelayo ungakhohlwa-ke ukusubscribe ushare uphinde ucommente ulike ividiyo yethu ukuze-ke ibonwe abantu abaningi. Nasi isiqephu sithokozele.
Azange nindiwonishe ukuba oBen 10 banje. Ayazange nindiwonishe uba oBen 10 abetha khidikhiqaqo sivelele sivungele igazi lithe sa livigazi uba lithe sa shiye kunenkansi uziva uba unenkansi uziva uba umzimba awuvumi abe uBen 10 ehiye abe uBen 10 ethe I am here mommy. Azange nindiwonishe. I needed a warning. Yokuthi khona before you get yourself into this, these are the consequences. Because kaloku, what was that? What was that? What is this child doing to me? I'm an adult child. Have manners, didn't your parents, your mother and father taught you manners? What is this? Akathe veng umntana adokwebe adokhana ahehewe umntana baka umntana I'm over 30, my child. I'm over 30. What are you doing to me? The responsibility of your parents. What was it? What is their name? Bazali, cala nifunza abantwana beni manners. Nditsho abasebenzi adults. Because hayibo bethu nana. Usana. Hayi. Child, I'm over 30. I don't know what you are doing to me. Even your brothers, and I don't know your fathers. I don't think I would have experienced what you have done to me. I don't know the feeling, man. That's a feeling. Imandi. Man doesn't understand imandi le feeling, but then the timing is very off. Because kaloku I'm concerned. And then what if this child uyandi? Is this so? Methi siyangobente because kaloku hayibo. Mntana, I feel like uyathukona akunakona angayiqoqiyo. Mandase. No, I needed a warning. I needed a serious warning. And like I need a meeting with a woman. I think I need a meeting with a woman. We have a lot to talk about a woman because kaloku hayibo. Kani ndiyeke ndiyosebenza. Ndiyeke ndiyemsebenzini.
Yena-ke mlaleli wami usisi lona eyincomela nje uBen 10 wakhe indlela amenza ngayo nendlela-ke aphefoma ngayo laphana-ke ekamereni. Ngicela ukuthi umlaleli wami mawusuku lakho lokuqala ula upress yona-ke usubscribe button ulike ushare uphinde ucomment kanti-ke ngabe usongwala ekhaya sicela ukuthi ulike ushare uphinde ucomment okukhulu nakho konke-ke uma usubscribe-ile hhayi kumali yakho hamba kodwa-ke sosenze usubo wena uqala uthole notification make sikufakala ividiyo hamba phambili. Okwamanje asesibambela isiqephu sethu asibambe kwisiqephu esilandelayo nakhona namhlanje noma ngosuku olulandelayo. Danko.